Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my
Welcome once more to our video today. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Rachel Faraja, and it's such an honor and delight to have you here today. So I'm just here putting together my equipment and tools for making this delicious passion juice. I tell you, I used all my passion to prepare it, like passion to prepare it. And I encountered a challenge just when I was about to edit this video, whereby my videos disappeared, though I've just used a trick around it. I went to the backup in Google Photos where they were refusing to download and just screen recorded them. So that is what I've used to just ensure that I can present this beautiful video and recipe to you. And just because of the effort that I've put, I kindly ask you to just subscribe if you haven't. I know I have a number of you who have been watching my videos and have not yet subscribed. I would kindly ask you to consider, because this not only motivates me, but it also ensures that YouTube just gets to know what you love to watch and make sure that it brings this your way. Also like this video, because once you like it, it will be able to reach many other people. So let's get right into this video so that we can be able to just see the procedure. Simple, nothing extraordinary here. I just was deseeding this from the passion itself. I cut into two, split it into two, and then using a big sieve. If you don't have a sieve like mine, just use a big sieve, whereby you sieve out the seeds and you let a big bowl catch the juice. This juice is very concentrated, and that's why I love the yellow passion as compared to the purple one or the dark one. And they are not normally so much in season, but whenever they are there, I love doing this juice with them. And the aroma, the smell, the taste, you eat this and you just taste sweet, you smell sweet. So that's why I love it. I love it. It's a delicacy even in my home, and it's something that I would recommend to you. But then when you just make it in the normal way, it may not be pleasant because it will be very runny, and it may also be very tangy. Like it's sour. It can give you a heartburn, especially if the fruits were not ripe. That's why I've introduced the carrots, and that is what I use to make my juice. Very thick, restaurant-like, very premium juice. Let me tell you, by the way, this is what they do in those places where you sip this juice and pay a good 500 shillings for a glass. That is what they do. You can always replicate this in your house using the passion, the purple passion, or this one whenever you come across out of it. I use 2 kgs, is it 2 or 3? 2 kgs of this, and the carrots were about 6 medium carrots. Cube them, place them in the pot for cooking for about 10 minutes. They'll be soft, and I normally cook them so that they get soft. And after they get soft, they also change the color a bit, and the color matches the color of the the passion juice we've sieved out from the seeds. And you will see that when it combines, you will not even tell there's a carrot inside here. The other thing, I know the question you'll be asking is, will this juice taste like carrot? No. It will not taste as carrot at all. You know why? Because carrots have a mild taste. They are among those fruits we eat, and they taste like nothing sometimes when cooked. So this is the nothingness taste we are bringing into the very strong passion. I don't think there's a fruit that can overpower the taste of a passion. So that's what we are bringing inside here. And then we combine, and I'll show you how to get the maximum juice out of these seeds we've kept here aside. So keep watching to the end, because we are not yet done, and then you'll just see how amazing you can make and multiply your juice. So I wanted to make about 3 liters of juice, and once you know the amount of juice you want, work backwards so that you can keep all the water you need in a container. So that will mean that you will not be introducing another amount of water, which will mean that it will dilute your juice so much. That's another tip. Just keep using the juices from the fruits, and reuse them until you get the correct consistency you want. Like for me here, I knew I could not bring in any more water, and Marque, we are using drinking water, the one you drink directly without boiling, without doing anything to it. That is the water we take, because juice is not cooked. It is a raw drink, and therefore we must have very hygienic water to use. At the same time, make sure your equipment are clean, your hands are clean, so that you can just provide a very nutritious and a clean juice. So at this point, I'd already tasted, and it was very tangy. These fruits, I don't know what happened this season. These fruits are not very sweet. So these fruits are normally very tangy. Like they can burn the acid can burn your tongue. Yeah. So what you do, you normally just sweeten it, dilute it. Watu wa honey, watu wa jaggery, watu wa other things, please feel free to sweeten it with whatever you want. I saw somebody saying in a meme that they are using patkos, you know, the small sweets, patkos, to sweeten their tea. If it is patko, go for it. I didn't like this sugar, because this sugar is dark. Can you see how it settles down there? And it introduced a dark color to my juice. However, it did not kill out all the brightness in it. I still managed to have a bright color. These are my results. I love it. Chill it for the best results, because once chilled, it is going to bring out. Yes, chill it for the best results. And then as you do that, please check out a recipe I have done on the mango juice, a pineapple mint juice, and I've also done a 3 tomato juice, that is a tamarillo juice, and you will love them. They will just change the way you probably make your juice, and you will enjoy, you will love going to the market to get these fruits, so that you can just be able to present these amazing recipes to your family.